इंग्लिश कॉम्प्रीहेंशन हम पढ़ रहे हैं. गेट वेल सून, Shanta said, handing Partha a yellow balloon. She was his third visitor. That's because she was his class teacher's daughter and her mother made her visit him. And the other two, Rahul and Syed, weren't really his friends, although they often ganged up with him against other kids to take away their lunch pocket money. Partha knew he wouldn't have long to live. He could feel it deep inside. Seeing his auntie crying after talking with the doctor confirmed it. His time had come. He didn't tell his visitors, though. They would either pity him or be happy to get rid of him. Once Shanta left, he ripped a page off from his notebook and wrote, Dear God, I know I messed up and nobody likes me. Please give me a second chance. I can show you what a good friend I can be. He drew a map showing the way from the school to the hospital, walked shakily to the window, and let the balloon fly away, carrying his message towards God. The balloon was heading straight to a telephone pole, but a gentle breeze blew it away just in time. It crossed the park and disappeared out of view. And the next day, a boy he had never met before came to visit him. I find balloon, he said. You are lonely. He just nodded, too startled to talk. I lonely too. My family come from Afghanistan and I know speak English. Good, he smiled. I bring gift to you. He handed him a small bag of fruits. I pray for a friend and God give me a friend. Normally he would have made fun of his broken English and his long baggy brown kurta, but he knew better. He smiled and offered him the first orange. One should one student the reader understands did not really want to meet Partha, that is Shanta. One student the reader understands did not really want to meet Partha, that is Shanta, उसके बाद जो आगे क्वेश्चन है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस पैराग्राफ वो ये है. पार्था फेल्ट लोनली बिकॉज visited him when he was means at the hospital. He had no friends at school. No one. उसके बाद no one. उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट है वो अगला क्वेश्चन वो ये है. सिनोनियम फॉर द वर्ड स्टार्टल्ड इन द पैसेज इज स्टंड. स्टार्टल्ड का जो सिनोनियम होगा वो होगा स्टंड. उसके बाद जो अगला क्वेश्चन है वो ये है. एन एंटोनियम फॉर द वर्ड शेकली इन द पैसेज इज फर्मली. शेकली क्या होगा? फर्मली. अगला क्वेश्चन है. पार्थाज फीलिंग ऑफ लोनलीनेस सून टर्न्ड टू द सेल्फ पीटी. अगला जो क्वेश्चन है वो ये है. पार्था वुड नॉट गो बैक टू स्कूल. ही डिड नॉट हैव लॉन्ग टू लीव. उसके बाद आगे जो क्वेश्चन है वो ये है. द मैसेज इन द पैसेज इज ऑल एक्शंस हैव कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज. आगे जो क्वेश्चन है वो ये है. द चेंज इन पार्थाज एटीट्यूड इज एविडेंट व्हेन ही रिफ्रेन्ड फ्रॉम पॉकिंग फन एट द अफगान बॉय एंड शेयर्ड द फ्रूट्स. रिफ्रेन्ड फ्रॉम द पॉकिंग फन एट द अफगान बॉय एंड शेयर्ड द फ्रूट्स. उसके बाद आगे जो क्वेश्चन है वो ये है. अ फ्रेज दैट कैन रिप्लेस द वर्ड्स गैंग्ड अप. गैंग्ड अप मीन्स जॉइंड इन अपोजिशन. गैंग्ड अप मीन्स जॉइंड इन अपोजिशन. आगे जो क्वेश्चन है वो ये है कि वाइल इवेल्युएटिंग स्टूडेंट्स रिस्पॉन्सेज फॉर रीडिंग कॉम्प्रीहेंशन मार्क्स में बी डिडक्टेड फॉर एरर्स कंटेंट. उसके बाद अगला क्वेश्चन जो है वो ये है. A text that requires students to scan in order to understand and analyze the writer's message and purpose could be a poem. उसके बाद आगे जो क्वेश्चन है वो ये है. While drafting a notice, students may be instructed to use language direct. उसके बाद अगला क्वेश्चन जो है वो ये है. For evaluating a poster design as a part of competition, which of the following criteria would be the most appropriate for the judges? Creativity, relevant content and visual appeal. आगे जो क्वेश्चन है वो ये है. Learners lack confidence to speak in the target language in the class where the main language of conversation is the local vernacular. This challenge can be met by allowing students to speak about whatever they can, irrespective of the grammatical errors, enhance their vocabulary and gradually makes correction. उसके बाद जो अगला क्वेश्चन है वो ये है. यहाँ पे we have discussed this question. Learners lack confidence to speak in the target language in the class where the main language is conversation is the local vernacular. This challenge can be met allowing students to speak about whatever they can irrespective of the grammatical errors, enhance their vocabulary and gradually make corrections, or instructing them to speak slowly and self-correct grammatical errors, enhance their vocabulary with a list of useful words. उसके बाद जो अगला क्वेश्चन है वो ये है. In order to drive home the point that listening skills matter, students should be listening skills should matter, students should be reminded that listening skill practices relate to real life. उसके बाद अगला जो क्वेश्चन है वो ये है, लर्निंग अ न्यू लैंग्वेज आफ्टर प्यूबरिटी लीड्स टू डिफिकल्टी इन एक्विस्टेशन ऑफ अ फॉरेन लैंग्वेज. अगला जो क्वेश्चन है वो ये है, एन एक्टिविटी that requires a class to design and present a PowerPoint on the importance of water conservation in a target language is a multidisciplinary activity. To enable the students to distinguish between academic and spoken forms of a target language in a bilingual class, they should be encouraged to read more books written in the target language. Providing learning support to pupils who lag for behind their counterparts in the school performance includes initially adapting school curricula and teaching strategies. अगला जो क्वेश्चन है वो ये है, enriching the curriculum for the learners who are gifted and talented, increase complexity of curriculum for them to experience a wider variety of language and opportunities for the creativity. अगला जो क्वेश्चन है वो ये है, identify the false assumption language course books prescribed for the students should provide detailed lesson plans for the teachers. Students who do not have the opportunities to use the target language outside the classroom demonstrate much lower levels of the language competency. This can be overcome by engaging them in the specific language focused tasks which are indirectly monitored by their group leaders. आगे जो क्वेश्चन है वो ये है, a foreign non mother tongue language teacher often faces the problem of a class full of reluctant unmotivated learners. This can be helped by using methods and strategies to motivate and make learning more challenging in the class. एंड देन उसके बाद जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो ये है, लैंग्वेज लर्नर्स लर्न टू डू बाय डूइंग विच एक्टिविटी सपोर्ट्स दिस ऑब्जर्वेशन, अपॉर्चुनिटीज टू प्रैक्टिस एज इट हेल्प्स विद द हैबिट फॉर्मेशन. उसके बाद जो अगला क्वेश्चन है वो ये है, यहाँ पे फिर से कंप्रीहेंशन वाला क्वेश्चन है जिसमें ये पैराग्राफ पढ़ना है देन आंसर देना है. आवर कंजम्पशन ऑफ पाम ऑयल इज रॉकेटिंग. कमिटमेंट्स फ्रॉम द वेरियस गवर्नमेंट्स टू इंक्रीज द अमाउंट ऑफ द बायोफ्यूल्स बीइंग सोल्ड आर पुशिंग दिस राइज इन डिमांड बिकॉज दे आर सीन एज एन अट्रैक्टिव क्विक फिक्स टू रिड्यूस ग्रीन हाउस गैस एमिशन. इंडिया wanted 20% of its diesel to be biodiesel by 2012, and the irony is that these attempts to reduce the impact of the climate change could actually make things worse. Clearing forests and draining and burning peatlands to grow palm oil, which releases more carbon emissions than the burning fossil fuels. But this phenomenal growth of the palm oil industry spells disaster for the local communities, biodiversity, and climate change as palm plantations encroach further and further into forest areas where the emission of greenhouse gases is largely due to the deforestation. For example, much of the current and predicted oil palm expansion is taking place on the forested peatlands. Peat locks up huge amount of the carbon, so clearing peatlands by draining and burning releases huge greenhouse gases. The round table on the sustainable palm oil, RSPO, had established clear ethical and ecological standards for the producing palm oils, but since then forest destruction has continued unabated. So यहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चन है वो ये है, द पैसेज इज अबाउट द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ पाम ऑयल इंडस्ट्रीज. उसके बाद जो अगला क्वेश्चन है वो ये है, peatlands are natural means to suppress the carbon emission. अगला जो क्वेश्चन है वो ये है, द phrase in the passage which means speedy remedy is a quick fix. उसके बाद जो अगला क्वेश्चन है वो ये है, द synonym of the word irony is a paradox. अगला जो क्वेश्चन है वो ये है, द RSPO was convened to control destructive practices in the palm oil production. अगला क्वेश्चन है, द पैसेज suggested that RSPO's efforts to carry out its responsibility has been mostly a failure. So ये इस टाइप से जो है क्वेश्चंस होते हैं इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज से रिलेटेड.